Hi everyone. If I say that just by putting on your headphones and listening to oscillating beats, you can change your brain mood and hormone levels, you might think I am telling lies here. But such a kind of sound meditation does exist, and you might have already heard about it, or heard it before. This kind of sound meditation is actually related to your brain and neurons, and its benefits are proven. So let's dive into what this is all about. And now, you are going to learn about binaural beats and how they work. The science behind binaural beats occurs naturally in the brain. A different sound frequency is sent to the left and right ears through headphones. Upon hearing the two different frequencies, the brain interprets one consistent, rhythmic frequency, known as a binaural beats. The resulting frequency, interpreted by the brain, is the mathematical difference between the two frequencies sent to the left and right ears. The brain then follows along at this frequency and produces brain waves of the same frequency. This theory is known as frequency following response, FFR, a naturally occurring science that happens in the human brain. All you have to do is put on the headphones and press the play button. Note that you should listen for a minimum of 10 minutes to benefit from the entrainment effect of binaural beats. It takes about 10 minutes for the brain to create brain waves that synchronize with the binaural beats you are hearing. The binaural beats is the resulting frequency, which the brain interprets after hearing the sound vibrations of the two frequencies sent to the left and right ears. The response happens inside the brain. It is often referred to as an auditory illusion, because you don't hear the resulting frequency and the brain is somewhat tricked into responding in this way. Now let us also see how binaural beats, which is basically an external sound, related to your complex brain. Did you know that your brain cells generate electricity as a way to communicate with each other? This electrical activity forms patterns known as brain waves. These patterns can be measured by electroencephalography, EEG, a method of recording electrical activity through the scalp used in medical clinics. Scientists have found 5 main patterns of brain waves: delta, theta, alpha, beta and gamma. Scientists also noted that each brainwave state is associated with different states of consciousness. You normally go in and out of different brainwave states depending on which you are experiencing. For example, for sleep, your brain produces more of delta brain waves, which trigger sleeping response. But it is possible to manipulate your brain waves by using binaural beats or by meditation. Binaural beats cause your brain to synchronize, or entrain, itself with the beat frequency. This has the effect of inducing a desired brainwave pattern, letting you experience the benefits of that brainwave state at will. If you are confused between brainwaves and binaural beats, just think that brainwaves are natural electrical signals that your brain uses all the time. But binaural beats are pulsating sound beats which your hearing causes the brainwaves to slowly change and match with the frequency of the external binaural beats. The concept that brainwaves are associated with different levels of consciousness is the reason why binaural beats are effective for controlling our mind, hormones and the brain at your own will. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you should do so as soon as possible as we provide free binaural beats every day on YouTube. Also check out our collection of brown, white, gray and pink noises. If you want to learn more about binaural beats, comment in the comments section below and we will make a video about it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.